When taping the eyelids, we recommend using NextCare tape because it's more gentle when removing, it doesn't leave residue, and you're not going to rip off your client's eyebrows.
So for the vertical taping method, it's good for lifting the lashes away from the gel pads, especially for clients with natural lashes that point straight down. This method also helps reveal the layers of the lash line.
As for the horizontal taping method, it works well to stretch out the lash line. Personally, I like this method because it pulls and stretches at the same time. When the lashes are more spaced out, it makes isolation a lot easier. You can really see the difference it makes in stretching the lash line.